Looking for the best cast iron braziers? In this video we look at some of the top 3 cast iron braziers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Staub Cast Iron 3.5 Quart Brazer. Pros: can make a great meal. Looks good on the shelf. Durable and easy to clean. 5 color options available. Enameled cast iron finish does not require seasoning. Cooks just like a regular cast iron skillet. Domed lid helps you cook bigger cuts of meat. Cons: at 3.5 quart capacity, this brazier is not as large as others available. Bottom line: nicely designed to provide all the benefits of cast iron cooking without the drawbacks. At number 2. Anolon Vesta Cast Iron Cookware Round Covered Brazier. Pros: nice large handle on the top is easy to use. Also comes in cobalt or red. Porcelain enamel exterior is beautiful on and off the table. Large 5 quart capacity. Does a good job of searing. Wider and shallower than some pots. Keeps food very moist. A very versatile pot. Cons: the side handles on this model are a little small. Bottom line: the beauty and aesthetics of enamel cast iron braziers at a lower price point. At number 1. Le Creuset Signature Enameled Cast Iron 5 Quart Round Braiser. Pros: beautiful enough to transition easily from oven to table. Good size, holding 5 quarts. Large handles. Comes in 9 bold color options. Can be used on all types of stove tops or ovens. Can also be used as a skillet. Cleans easily. The company makes this brazier in its own foundry in France. Cons: since this is cast iron, it is a heavy pot to use. Bottom line: beautiful and practical, this cast iron brazier is your top of the line choice. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.